For many years, the word Cadillac has been used to denote luxury. One of the most expensive vehicles offered by the company is the Cadillac Escalade, and its most expensive production car to date will be the 2023 model. The first Escalades to reach the six-figure barrier, with some variants exceeding $100,000, debuted for the 2021 year model. Cadillac's Escalade V, a full-size luxury SUV, will cost more than $150,000 in its most recent and robust iteration. In some areas of the United States, you can purchase a home for the same sum of money. Let's examine the Escalade V and decide if the high cost is justified. Luxurious interior. The Escalade V is spacious and has several brand new, exciting Escalade Platinum luxury items, such as zebrawood accents and semi-aniline leather on all three rows. Power massaging front seats and a heated steering wheel are available. One of the significant technological advancements is a standard curved OLED with a 38 inches total diagonal display and double the pixel density of a 4K television. On the 14.2 inches diagonal center cluster display, augmented reality shows a live view of what is in front of the car. Directional data is shown on the screen while a navigation route is active. Additionally, Super Cruise will be included. In the industry, Super Cruise is the first totally hands-free driving assistance system. It uses detailed LiDAR map data, real-time cameras, sensors, and GPS to provide drivers confidence while operating their vehicles hands-free over more than 200,000 miles of suitable highways in the United States and Canada. Muscle under the hood. The Escalade V is the market's most powerful full-size SUV. The Escalade V's supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine is connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission that is tuned for the vehicle's full-time active all-wheel drive system, producing 682 horsepower and 653 pounds of torque. Based on preliminary GM testing, this corresponds to an estimated capability of 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.4 seconds and a quarter-mile time of 12.74 seconds at 110 miles per hour. The standard Escalade has a power output of around 425 horsepower as a point of comparison. Furthermore, this will be the final gas-powered model in the V series. However, EV technology is advancing quickly, so electrification need not necessarily imply sacrificing power. For example, Tesla claims that the X-Plaid is the world's most powerful and fastest accelerating electric SUV, with a top speed of 163 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 2.5 seconds. Alright guys, we're halfway through our video on the 2023 Cadillac Escalade V. If you're enjoying this video, we'd appreciate if you would take a second to like and subscribe, as it shows us that you value this content and helps us to know what videos you would like in the future. Now back to the Cadillac Escalade V. Hardware to back up the power. Cadillac did not simply throw a large engine under the hood and call it good. In contrast to some manufacturers that simply add a performance badge to a vehicle with unique trim or wheel, the Escalade V not only receives a potent engine but also a full set of auxiliary upgrades to go along with that engine. The fourth generation of GM's magnetic ride control, air ride adaptive suspension, and additional suspension components unique to the V model are all included in this SUV. Even the rear air springs are designed to be stiffer than the front ones, which should help with the attempt to bring those 682 horses to the ground. Cadillac also included two drive modes, Tour and Sport, that can be selectively applied to components like the steering or suspension. Even the engine and all-wheel drive system have a rather practical snow and ice setting that can be used. According to Jacqueline McQuaid, Executive Chief Engineer for full-size trucks, the Escalade V offers an engaging and energetic driving experience unlike any other full-size luxury SUV. Its power-to-weight ratio is among the best in its class, and advanced driving technologies help put that power to the road. More importantly, it satisfies the demanding requirements of the V Series Mondrian insignia. Exterior updates. The newest Escalade is a brazen SUV, but the V model stands out thanks to updated style all across the outside. The black sport mesh grille found on other V models is visible on the front of the car. The front and back also seem more athletic with a few minor nips and tucks. Customers will discover distinctive 22 inches wheels, custom Brembo front brakes with edge red brake calipers, and signature quad exhaust outlets. So in conclusion, even though the 2023 Cadillac Escalade V is pricey, you definitely get what you pay for. Cadillac has improved its luxury standards and given this classic car a bit extra. The Escalade V is pushing the boundaries of luxury with more features and more power than ever before. Well guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done it already, please tap that like button and hit subscribe, as we really appreciate it and it helps us to bring out more content that we know you love. Thank you for watching Luxury Living.